Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all the products which I use to achieve this sleek bun. So if you're interested, then you need to keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need some warm water to loosen up your curls. You're also going to need Cantu leave-in conditioner or any leave-in conditioner you have, and also the Gorilla Snot gel. This particular Gorilla Snot gel has a hold meter of about 10, so it's actually good to help you to achieve that sleek bun. So basically what I'm doing right now is to just try to detangle my hair, and I'm just spraying my hair with some warm water to loosen up my curls, and then I'm going to go in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Again, you can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice just so that your hair is soft and easy to work with. So to achieve a sleek bun, you basically need to have your hair really moisturized so that it's easy and the whole process is smooth and you just have a ride all through. Okay, so yeah, now I'm just going ahead to detangle with my comb, and you can actually use your hands to detangle. I use my hands to detangle my hair most of the time, but basically when you're doing a sleek bun, you want to have and make sure that there are no knots in your hair, so you have to detangle properly. So this is the consistency of the Gorilla Snot gel, and basically what I'm going to do is to actually apply this on my hair in sections basically, and then I'm going to be tying and untying a lot. So basically what you want to do is to work in sections. That way you're going to get it looking sleek and it's not going to look so puffy, and it looks very laid. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm actually detangling. You want to start detangling from your ends before you actually go right into your roots. And now I'm just applying the gel because I want to take that section again and add it to the other section. I'm also going to do the other side, so I'm going to alternate using my warm water just to loosen up the curls, and then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner again to make it smooth, soft and easy to detangle. Then I go in from the ends and work my way through to the roots of my hair strands. Okay, so that way your hair doesn't really break and you still have your hair intact. Next, I'm going with the Gorilla Snot gel again, and as you can see, I'm gonna keep untying and tying just so that I can get everything in place. And so you're going to see now that I go ahead to tie it again. So yeah, basically working in sections, that's how you're going to be able to get it looking very sleek. So now we are in the front. It's basically the same thing. Your water to moisturize and to loosen up your curls, and then you go in with the leave-in conditioner just to detangle and help you in the detangling process. And then after that, detangle your hair properly just so that it can look very sleek. There are no knots and it looks very sleek at the same time. So right now I'm adding my Gorilla Snot gel to this section, and I'm going to just sleek that towards the back. And I'm also going to use this rat-tailed comb just to make sure that it is well flattened and laid. And if you have a very hard brush, that is going to be very advisable to use that to make sure that it is sleek. So at this point, I wasn't sure if I wanted to have like a sleek all back ponytail or a side parting or a center parting. So I just had my hair in center parting, and then I just kept going with the flow. Okay, and then later on I actually decided to do like a C parting, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean by a C part. So yeah, the basic things: you just need to detangle, add your Gorilla Snot gel from the roots to the ends. If you want to get it like so sleek, you have to go from like roots to the end. So you're basically applying the gel all over the strands of your hair. So yeah, you can see that I'm using this tiny comb, this rat-tailed comb. It really helps to make it sleek, especially if you are working like with small sections. It really helps to sleek everything down, as you can see from this video. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing all through, and I'm going to finish with this particular section, and then we can now go on to how I actually got a C pattern for this particular look. So now at this point I decided I wanted to have like a C part. So basically that's all you want to do. You want to like cut your hair like a curve. I don't know, get like a curved line from the front all the way through the back, and that's how you're going to be able to get that C that C cut basically, or the C pattern. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure that that is straight, and then go again with my warm water to loosen up my curls and detangle, and then go ahead to apply my Gorilla Snot Gel. And then just to slick that on the other part we have already done, I'm going to apply this directly on that section, and then use my hands to work that into the hair strands. That way it really gets it looking very sleek. So yeah, this is how I was able to achieve that, and apply the gel to like the strands of the hair, just so that it can slick down on the other part we have finished. Okay, so you can see now that the whole strand of my hair for that section has a lot of gel on it. So yeah, as I comb through this right now and send this towards that same direction which I'm done with, you can now see that it's going to lay flat on it because the whole strand of the hair has gel. So to get this looking very sleek, you might need to apply the gel on the whole strand of the hair, just so that it looks very laid and very flat. So I had to go back to the Gorilla Snot Gel, which I have been using ever since. This one is the red one, and this one, I feel like this one has a stronger hold than the purple one. So I just wanted to use this on the top, or at the top of the hair, like the front part of the hair, so that it has like a better hold on my hair. So that's why I went back and used another type of gel for this part of my hair. So basically that is all that I did. Now to get that other side, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to lay my edges, and so we're just going to finish up with this and then go on to lay our edges. Okay, for my edges, I used my rat-tailed comb to be able to get that I don't know how to describe this particular type of edges, but basically you want to use your comb and to just like create a swoop. I don't know what to call it, but basically you want to just create a line after line. So I feel like it's gonna be easier for you to watch this than for me to try and explain this, because I really don't know how to explain the movement of my hand. But basically try to create a line with each edge laying process. Basically try to create a line from one edge to the other. So basically I am creating lines as I lay my edges. So I'm not sure if that is the most comprehensive way to explain it, but I also used some shine and jam just to make sure that it was strong, or it was firm, like my edges were firm basically, because the consistency of shine and jam is actually a lot thicker than the consistency of the Gorilla Snot Gel. So I used some shine and jam just to make sure that my edges were firm basically. So yeah, just create a line for each edge you're creating, or for each swoop you're making basically. I'm not sure, but basically just try to create a line as you go. So as you're creating your edges, just create a line. I feel like the video is gonna explain more than my audio. Okay, so yeah. Next, I'm just going to secure the whole hair at the back and make sure that right now it is tighter than it was from the beginning. Okay, so this is the final time we're going to be tying the hair, so make sure that it is very secured. Next, I'm going to use two different scarves, one to secure my edges and then another one which goes all the way to the back, just so that it gets very sleek. Again, this is a sleek bun tutorial, so anything to get it looking sleek, that's what we're going to do. So yeah, we have two scarves, one for the edges and another one for the whole head. Okay, so yeah, this is basically what I did. Start tying your hair. You want to leave it for a couple of hours just so that it gets dry. Personally, I left mine not even up to an hour because I was in a hurry, and so I did this, and then I think in like 45 minutes I had this off. So this is basically what it's looking like. Okay, just going to attach my drawstring ponytail. Now I know a lot of questions come in about this particular ponytail, guys. It is my ponytail. I didn't get it from like a brand, so I have a couple of pieces that I have around the house. I haven't used them and they're actually for sale. So if you are in Nigeria and you want to get this ponytail, you want to get it as the weave, because I made it into a ponytail, a drawstring ponytail. So if you are interested in getting it, then definitely chat me up on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle in the description box. If you're interested in getting this, then let me know in the comment section or send me a DM on Instagram and I would have it sorted out and you could get it in Nigeria. So this is strictly for people in Nigeria, just because it might take like a lot of money. The cost of shipping it to you outside the country might be more expensive than the hair itself. So if you're interested in getting it in Nigeria, then definitely do hit me up here or on Instagram and I'll get it delivered to you ASAP. Okay, so yeah, this is basically all I did. And I mean, you can see how bubbly these extensions are. This is like my second year using this extension, so it is very durable, very affordable as well, and it's gonna last you for years, trust me. So yeah, this is the final look and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If it was helpful, let me know down in the comment section and I'm gonna see you guys in one of my other videos. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.